Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to add a clickable Instagram link on YouTube. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our browser and then click our profile icon right here on the top right corner. So just click it and then click YouTube Studio right here. Once you click YouTube Studio, you will be directed right here. So what we're going to do is to click this content and then just click the edit icon right here of what videos you want to add your Instagram link. So let's say for example this one, let's paste the Instagram link that we want to add. So let's say for example that we want to add our Instagram link right here. So let's go back to YouTube and then just paste the video that we want to put. Keep in mind that before you can add an external links, we must first complete a verification code right there and then just complete the verification needed. So after that, once you're done with this, just click save button right there and then it will not automatically save. And then if you check your video on YouTube, you will now be good to go. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.